Is it worth it to hire a graphic designer? Here's a clear breakdown to help you understand the value of professional design. 1. First impressions. First impressions matter. Your branding is often the first thing people see. A polished logo, consistent colours, and purposeful design instantly communicate credibility. Professional design builds trust and shows your audience you take your business seriously. 2. Saving time. Many business owners try to DIY their branding. What they discover very quickly is how much time and energy it absorbs. When you hire a graphic designer, you get expert work and you stay focused on running your business. 3. Custom branding. Templates can only take you so far. They tend to look similar and never fully represent your story. With custom design, your brand becomes a reflection of your values, personality, and goals. 4. Consistency across all platforms. Branding only works when it's consistent. A graphic designer ensures your visuals are cohesive across your website, social media, email marketing, and print materials. That consistency builds recognition, which strengthens your identity over time. 5. Long-term value. Good design lasts. When your branding is strategic and professionally executed, you avoid constant rebrands and redesigns. That means long-term savings and a brand that grows your business. 6. When it's not the right time yet. There are moments where hiring a designer may not be essential yet. For example, if you're testing a new idea, working with a very limited budget, or still figuring out your business direction. Design should align with where you're heading, so timing matters. So, is it worth it to hire a graphic designer? In most cases, absolutely. Strong branding supports your growth, your confidence, and the way your audience perceives you. If you want branding that truly represents your business, contact Rimidesigns and let's create something meaningful together.